Welcome. The first question. Choose the most stable carbocation. We have four compounds. Which one has the most stable carbocation? Already we know the conditions. Carbocation has the neighboring number of alkyl group increases. Stability increases. The second one, the carbocation attached with bipons, double and triple bonds. Third one, carbocation attached with lone pair of electron which get the atom. Example, most powerful ligands. Example, nitrogen, oxygen and halogens. The fourth one, carbocation attached with the electron donating group. It donates the electron towards carbocation. So the opposite charges are attracts. So the carbocation has negative charge increases. So the carbocation is more stable. If electron withdrawing group is present, the charge of carbocation value is diminished. So the unstable one, the carbocation attached with the electron donating group, it donate electron towards carbocation. The negative charge on carbocation increases, stability increases. Consider these four example. In option A, the carbocation is a carbocation. This is a carbocation. In option A, the carbocation in ortho position. Option B, carbocation also present in ortho position. Option C, carbocation present in meta position. In option D, carbocation in attached this position, this carbocation attached with methyl group. So the methyl group is electron donating group. So the fourth condition is applying in this here. Option D, the carbocation attached with the electron donating group. So the electron donating group donate the electron towards this carbocation. So the negative charge on carbocation increases, stability increases. So compare these four options. Option A, B, C does not have the electron near one attached with the electron donating group, but option D, the carbocation attached with the electron donating group. So option D has more stable than compare with another three options. Next question. Choose the most stable carbocation. The first question, we have the electron donating group like methyl group. In this sum, we have the carbocation with NO2 group. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. The carbocation, we have four options. Which one is more stable? Compare this four example. Option D, this carbocation attached with electron withdrawing group. NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. So it withdraw electron from this carbocation. So the charge of carbocation decreases. So stability decreases. So compare these four options. Option D is less stable. Option A. Write the option A. we shift this electron to this position, this charge of this cation will shift to this carbon. So applying resonance effect, NO2, this electron shift position to this charge to this carbon. So this carbocation attached with electron withdrawing group like option D. So the charge of carbocation decreases, stability decreases. So option A also applying resonance effect on option A, it has less stable. This also has the same for option matched with option B. So option B, carbocation attached with the electron withdrawing group. So it withdraw electron from carbocation. So the charge of carbocation decreases, stability decreases. So it also less stable. Applying resonance effect, option A also less stable. Option D also less stable. Option B less stable. So more stable is option C. Option C structure is we apply resonance effect. We shift this electron to here. This charge also shift that position. Next, we shift this electron to this carbon atom. This charge also shifted here. So charge shifted this position. So the resonance structure increases. This carbocation does not with the electron withdrawing group. So it is more stable due to less electron withdrawing effect of NO2 group. So it is more stable. Stability increases. So from option, these four options, which one is more stable carbocation? Option C is more stable carbocation than other three options. Thank you.